Hello. So today's question is the electrostatic force between the metal plates of an isolated parallel plate capacitor having a charge Q and area A is independent of distance between the plates, linearly proportional to the distance between the plates, inversely proportional to the distance between the plates, or proportional to the square root of distance between the plates. Let's see. We already know the formula, which is E equals to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. So E also equals to Q upon 2A epsilon naught. So now on another plate, due to the first plate will be given by F equals to QE. And now F equals to, as you already know the value of E, Q square upon 2 epsilon naught. That means the force is independent of area. That means it's independence of distance between the plates. So according to me, it's option A. Thank you.